Hey guys, welcome to today's Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 219 contains duplicate 2. We are told that we're given an integer array nums and an integer k, and we need to return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums I equals nums j and the absolute value of I minus j is less than or equal to k. And we're given a couple of examples here: 1, 2, 3, 1. The indices of 0 and 3 are less than or equal to 3, so we return true. The same for here, we also return true. But here we can see that although we have the duplicates, so that's 1, 2, and 3, the spacing between 0 and 3 or 1 and 4 does not satisfy the condition I minus j is less than or equal to k, so we return false. And we're also given some constraints. So the way we can solve this problem is by basically splitting it up into two parts. The first part is finding the duplicate, and the next part is checking if this condition is satisfied. So to find duplicates, I'm going to go with using a hash map approach. So that's just creating a hash map using a Python dictionary and saying for I in range 0 and then the length of nums, so iterating through every index in the nums list. Let's say if nums I is in the hash map, so if the number is in the hash map, well then we can find the corresponding index. So that corresponding index, let's create a little comment here. Let's say found duplicate, and let's set j equal to hash map nums I. And now we can check for this condition over here. Absolute value of I minus j is less than or equal to k. So let's just copy and paste that and say return true if this condition is met. But if this condition is not met, and if we don't enter or don't complete this if statement, then we need to set our hash map value for the current number that we're at and the corresponding index. But what happens if we complete the entire for loop? Well, then we just need to return false, because that means we haven't found a duplicate and the two indices don't satisfy this condition over here. So then we just return false. So now let's run our solution, and we pass all three test cases. Now let's submit our solution as well, and we also pass all 62 test cases. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you in the next one.